Welcome back to PrognoCIS EMR. In this video, we'll explore how PrognoCIS systematically stores all patient appointment information using the Appointment History feature, and how you can access and utilize this valuable data. Appointment history is a crucial part of the scheduling module, allowing you to track all activity for each appointment. This includes cancellations, arrivals, no-shows, and any user-level changes like rescheduling or modifications to the provider, location, or date. Let's begin by looking at how to access appointment history from the appointment schedule screen. First, navigate to Appointments, Schedule. To schedule an appointment, double-click on any time slot to bring up the appointment schedule pop-up. After selecting the patient, encounter type, duration, location, and adding necessary details, click the Schedule button. Once an appointment is scheduled, you can invoke the appointment schedule pop-up again, for that patient's scheduled appointment. Here, in the top right corner, you'll find the patient appointment history icon. Clicking this icon will open the appointment history pop-up, displaying details of both current and previous appointments for that patient. The information entered while scheduling the appointment, such as the date, provider, and time, is systematically displayed in various columns. Each column also features a search bar, allowing you to easily filter records. You can navigate through the displayed history using the horizontal and vertical scroll bars to view more details. The history records are sorted in descending order by date, showing the most recent appointments first. It's important to note that if an appointment is scheduled with the appointment type selected as others, clicking the patient appointment history icon will instead invoke the patient search list. This means appointment history can only be displayed for patients who are registered in PrognoCIS via the patient registration screen. You'll also find the patient appointment history icon on the header band of the appointment schedule screen. If Patients or Others is selected in the Appointments for drop-down, and this icon is clicked, the patient search list will appear. You can select a patient to view their appointment history, regardless of whether they have scheduled appointments or not. This step opens the appointment history pop-up. Now let's explore the various columns and icons available on the appointment history pop-up. First, we have the appointment history for search icon. Clicking this magnifying glass icon will invoke the patient search list, allowing you to select a specific patient whose appointment history you wish to view. Next, we have the Manage Columns icon. This powerful feature acts as an additional filter, enabling you to select precisely which columns appear on the appointment history pop-up. When a user clicks on Manage Columns icon, the Manage Columns pop-up is invoked. Here, you'll see two main sections, Available Columns and Selected Columns. Available Columns lists all possible columns, while Selected Columns shows those currently chosen for display. Choose from the columns under the appointment details and employer categories in Available Columns. You can move columns between the Available Columns and Selected Columns sections using the arrow buttons. Clicking the right arrow adds a column to Selected Columns. Clicking the left arrow removes that column from Selected Columns. Once you've made your selections, click the Apply button to activate the filter and close the pop-up. If you wish to discard your changes, click the Reset button. Clicking on the History button shows Manage Column History pop-up, displaying modified configurations for Manage Columns. Click on the Close button to close the pop-up. The Print icon allows you to generate a printable version of the appointment history. Clicking Print will bring up the Print pop-up. Here you can select your printer, choose layout options like portrait or landscape, specify pages, and adjust other settings. You can then save a copy to your local machine, or send it directly to the printer. Click Cancel to close the pop-up without printing. You'll notice a red line on the screen. This red line serves to bifurcate appointments. Appointments above the red line are current and upcoming, while those below it are past appointments. If an appointment has been rescheduled, you'll see a plus icon next to the date column. Clicking the plus icon will expand the view to show all instances of that rescheduled appointment. After expansion, the plus icon is changed into the minus icon. Clicking the minus icon will collapse them again. Each column on the appointment history pop-up also includes a search input field. You'll see a faint search watermark, which disappears when you start typing. This allows you to precisely filter appointment records, based on specific input values. The red line remains visible, even after applying search filters. To view appointment history specific to the patient, you can navigate to Patient Register. Select a patient record from the Patient Info search pop-up. Click on the Appointment History icon. Unlike the Appointment History pop-up on Appointment Schedule screen, the search icon searching for any other patient is absent from this pop-up. Finally, let's look at accessing appointment history directly from the Encounter TOC. Navigate to Patient, then Encounter, and then select Appointment History from the Encounter TOC. To ensure the Appointment History option is visible on the Encounter TOC, two prerequisites must be met. First, go to Settings, Configuration, and under the Admin column, click Properties. The Properties search is invoked. Search the toc.menu.options property, and ensure the value AH is selected. Second, go to Settings, Configuration, and under the Clinic column, click Encounter Types. Select an encounter type that is being used in a patient's encounter from the Encounter Type search list. Click on the Encounter button, ensure the Appointment History option is selected on the TOC Encounter Options pop-up. Just like on the Appointment Schedule pop-up, the Manage Columns icon and the Print icon are also available on the Appointment History screen. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need more help, please reach out to the PrognoCIS support team at support@bisma@tixinc.com.